Do I have any chocolate in my teeth? Just say it's banana bread. That would be absolutely something I would do. I would just film an entire video and be like, wow, there is food in your teeth, Rachel. Also, my makeup feels really incomplete right now because I have no highlight on my face. And also nothing on my lips because I have a couple of pieces of different makeup items that have come in or I have like purchased from the drugstore recently that I want to put on my face on camera and kind of do like a first impression. So it feels weird. I don't like it. Hello everyone, I'm here today to share with you guys kind of like a haul slash first impression. We're gonna be trying on some stuff, we're gonna be swatching some stuff, we're gonna be unboxing, we're gonna be taking stuff out of bags that I've recently purchased, which is a big mishmash of a video. If there are any products that you want to see a first impressions type of video on, whether it's a specific one product or maybe like 5, I can do a 5 first impressions or something like that, leave them in the comment section below. Or if you see someone who has commented something, give that a big thumbs up because the more thumbs up, the more likely I am to do the video. And also I thought it'd be fun because it is the 1st of February. In every single one of my videos for the rest of February, I'm going to be doing a little giveaway for you guys. So this is what we are giving away today. And all you have to do to enter is just leave a comment down below and tell me what your favorite product is that I talked about today. That is it. I just want to give back to the subscribers that have been watching my videos and I appreciate you so much. And I've also included foundations. Some will be light, some will be dark. I've tried to kind of mix it up so that even if it's not your shade, you can give it to friends and family and enjoy some of the other makeup as well because, you know, the more giving the better. So yeah, it's just like a little giveaway to say thank you to you guys for watching my videos, for subscribing to my videos, and I really, really appreciate it. So check back. I will be doing another one of these again on Sunday and for the rest of February. But yeah, I thought it would be fun to like sit down and, you know, chit chat about makeup and hang out and stuff. So I hope you guys have some coffee, tea, whatever, and you're ready for probably what's going to be a very long video. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like these sort of sit down, chit chatty, haul type videos. If you want to see more of them, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And without further ado, let's get into this. And I don't really know where to start. I feel like I should have a plan. Like I should have specific products that I want to start with, but I don't. Oh no, that's a lie. I want to start with what's on my eyeballs right now. And specifically my lashes because it's literally launched today. Like right now. And that is the new Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Volumizing Mascara. It says here it is a 36-hour full blast volumizing mascara. It's going to give you massive volume without weighing down your lashes, so they're going to stay curled all day. I have it on my eyes right now. I have like maybe 2 coats, like barely. And like, look at that. Can you guys see that volume? It's insane. You can see right there, that is what the wand looks like. It's very flexible. It's a little bit longer. It has those rubberized sort of bristles on it. And like, I honestly don't need any false lashes today. It's crazy. The one thing I will say about this is because the bristles are shorter, I think, and because it just coats every single lash, I'll get it on the lid a little bit more than average. And maybe that's just me because I am quite messy when it comes to makeup. But unlike other formulas, I find that once you let that dry, it comes off very, very easily off of the lid. Just with like one of these little spoolie things, I'll just like rub really, really gently on the lid and it just like comes off entirely. It does not mess up any of my eyeshadow on underneath, which is amazing. So overall, I gotta say, I am super impressed with this mascara. My lashes look unreal right now. Obsessed. Next up, I want to talk about these that just came in the mail the other day, which are the new ColourPop Luxe lipsticks. Oh, they are so pretty and shiny. And naturally, I lost the press sheet immediately. I don't know where it went. So this is apparently a new formula. It's going to give a very nice, like a creamy matte finish is what they say, and glides on like butter, but doesn't feather or bleed. And these actually launched yesterday, so they are brand new. So I thought I would kind of put one on the lips. I might even do a little video on Instagram and like put on all my favorite 10 or something like that. I don't know. I really want to start by swatching one of these, and I think I'm just gonna choose random. This one, what is it? On display. Ooh, nice bright red. Good choice not looking, Rachel. So the lipstick itself, it has these gorgeous stars imprinted on the side, which is so cute. And I love the packaging, the nice rose gold. Very nice detail. I like it. It looks very luxe, hence the name. Let's see what happens when I put this on the lip. Ah, so nice. Wait, didn't I just say I was gonna swatch one of these? Why did I immediately put this on my lips? It's fine, whatever. The color is very rich, very creamy. Like, it feels really nice on the lips. I don't know how this is supposed to be really long lasting at all because it feels like a normal lipstick. But the application was really nice. The color is gorgeous. I think next I want to try Money Side Up. And this time I'm actually going to swatch them. Uno Mas and Sitting Pretty. So we'll start with Sitting Pretty, which is a pretty berry shade. Just want to swatch this on the hand. Oh, it's so creamy. So that is the color right there. That's bright, but it still feels super like everyday wearable, at least to me. I really like that. Here we have Money Side Up is very different in the container than it is on the bottom. Is that just me? Can you guys see that? See, that's like pink. And then boop. Oh, yup, love that. It's actually very similar to the shade I have on today, which is probably why I picked it. And then the last shade, Uno Mas, is more of a, I want to say like a brownie nude pink. Also beautiful. Which one do I want to put on today? Or do I just leave the red on? Like, it doesn't really match my outfit though. You know what? Whatever. I'm lazy. We're just gonna keep this on so we can keep this video rolling. But I will be testing these out and I will put them up on my Instagram. I'll pick out my favorites and we'll see how long wearing this is and all that fun stuff. Next up, let's talk about some of the stuff that I have actually purchased myself. So this is a buffing block for my nails because I need a new one. Boop. Oh, and I totally forgot, before I get into the next product, make sure you check back in 2 weeks because I will do an update for you guys and let you guys know what products really worked well and which ones didn't. Forgot to mention that from the beginning. But anyway, continuing on. Next, I also needed some more of the Maybelline Fit Me concealers because mine was super old. So I decided I probably need to like refresh a little bit. But it's a really good like drugstore concealer. Then I also, I found a whole bunch of stuff from Hard Candy actually. I haven't tried their stuff in a while. And so one of the things that I saw was the Bake Bright and Set. This is an oil-free loose powder that you're supposed to use for baking. It's like a banana powder. And I guess because it has more of a yellow undertone, it's going to brighten up the under eye area. So we'll see what this sort of looks like. I haven't tested this out before. Let me know if you guys have and if you have any experience with it. But yeah, looked kind of interesting. And then the other product I got from Hard Candy is their Luminous Pearl Setting Spray. So it's a 12-hour setting spray that has some sort of luminosity to it. Oh, and it has coconut oil in it. Oh, does this smell like coconuts? Well, we're just gonna have to test it out and see, won't we? Very nice spray though. Do you guys see that? Like that right there? Beautiful. No coconut scent anywhere. I feel like I was robbed. We'll see what kind of like dewy finish it's gonna give to my skin, but I am excited to test it out. And then the other drugstore product I got is the L'Oreal Infallible Galaxy Stick. This is their multi-use illuminating stick, and this is in the shade Galaxy Gold. Ooh, more of like a pinky. I don't know if I would call that gold, L'Oreal. More like a pinky. Like, I'm not mad about the color, but I don't see gold. I have a billion highlights though I want to test out today, so I may leave this one for a future video, but I thought it was really pretty. It is very creamy. So I don't know if it's going to kind of slide around underneath my makeup, if I should put it on like before powder instead because it's more of a cream product. I don't know. Then I bought a bunch of other stuff from Sephora, but I don't want to talk about it yet because my subscribers, you guys, chose the makeup. So stay tuned for Sunday if you're curious on some other new launches. Becca. Oh, actually there is one I want to talk about. You guys have been asking me about the products from The Ordinary, which is now some of the products are available at Sephora. And so I bought their retinol cream, which I am currently testing out, and also their high adherence silicone primer. And this is supposed to be a surface smoother and blurring primer that's going to last on your skin all day. People are going like freaking nuts from this brand. It's mostly skincare products, but the price point is crazy. I think that this primer is like $4. Sephora's like messing with me with their price point. I always see Sephora and I think of like high-end brands, and then they throw in ColourPop and The Ordinary, and I'm like, what are you trying to do here? Maybe trying to be Ulta? I don't know. I really want to know if there's like a scent to this or like what it's like. I don't know. Do you guys want me to do like a full wear test or like incorporate this maybe into another video, like a full face video, or just this exclusively on its own? Let me know what you guys think. There's no scent to it. Just smells like product. It feels very smooth, very slippery, very classic, like silicone-ness, but more of like a wet, like almost watery kind of feel to it. I don't know, I'm kind of curious how this is going to wear on the skin because everyone is obsessed with it. And I so far really like their retinol cream, so we'll see. What is something else that I want to talk about? Oh, okay, I just wanted to show quickly this little PR package that was sent. This is from MAC. This is to promote their new Fix Plus. They have a bunch of different ones now. So they have the original, they have lavender, coconut, and rose. I was just gonna say rosé. whoa, I'm bougie. It's this shirt. It's just the shirt. But I thought this was so cool. So they have the package here. It looks very white and they say spray here. So look what happens. Oh my gosh. A face appears. I know it's kind of wasteful of the product, but I thought that was so cool. So I have the original and coconut one here. I am curious to kind of play around with this one a little bit more and just see how different it is, if any. I actually don't even know if this one has a scent. Oh, that just got right in my eyeballs. It has a little, like a very faint coconutty scent, not at all like the Physicians Formula, which is like a tropical vacation. This one's very light, but I really like it. Next up is a new product from Butter London, and this is their Glazin' Face Glow. So it's going to be something that you can wear alone or under makeup or wear it on top of your makeup. So basically you can wear it for any purpose than Butter London. And it's basically gonna give your skin a very luminous, dewy-like finish. So the product itself is very white and very creamy looking. Ooh, it blends out to be more of a creamy, almost pinky shade. Dab a little bit on the nose there, see what it looks like. It's definitely not as white on the skin as it is in the jar, so it does blend out to be more of like a creamy beigey kind of an undertone. Definitely has some pink vibes to it as well. When it dries down, it seems to give more of a metallic-like finish. So I'm curious how this is going to translate onto my face and see what that looks like. Next up, we have some new products from CoverGirl. One is their Vitalist Glow Luminizing Lotion. It has vitamins and stuff in it. It's a lightweight moisturizer with light reflecting pigment, so it's gonna give you the illusion of very luminous looking skin. I actually tested out their new concealer. It's a full coverage concealer in Tuesday's video, so you can go and check that out if you are interested. I kind of compared it to the new lasting finish, the 25-hour one. This is from Rimmel, but I haven't tried their lotion yet, so we'll see what this looks like. So that right there is what it looks like. It's subtle, has more of a warm undertone to it than a frosty pink undertone. I'm gonna see what that looks like when it dries down, because obviously right now, because it is wet, it looks very dewy and very hydrating. They also have two new highlights. These are the Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighters. One is in Daybreak, and then the other one is in... It's silver. One is silver, one is gold. So the texture is almost like putty-like, I want to say. Like you can see my fingerprint in there. That's kind of fun. And that is what it blends out. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, although it is looking a little bit sparkly. I don't know. I'm gonna let this dry on the skin. I'm gonna do the gold one next. This one is definitely not for my skin tone. It doesn't even look like that highlighty. Maybe it looks different on a deeper skin tone, but to me it just looks kind of brown. Like I feel like I've put like 3 layers on it. It's just getting muddier. Don't like it. I will test it out because maybe it's different on the face. But it isn't looking promising so far. Now on to some new highlighting sticks that came in from Hourglass. If you guys saw, I did sort of test one out when Christopher chose my makeup and wrote me out a tutorial. If you want to see how he made me use that, you can go and check out the video. But I really want to test out the other ones on the skin, and ooh! Oh, that, as you see, guys see that? Oh, that is calling my name. That needs to go on my face right now. Like I know that's like very streaky, but like look at the glow. Ooh. And of course, that was the exact moment that my battery died. It couldn't handle my highlight. So I blended it out on this side before it dried. And oh, it looks so pretty. The one that I have on my skin right now is Champagne Flash. It's giving that really soft, sort of diffused kind of look. And that's on top of like powder and everything too, so I'm impressed. I like it. It also comes in Gold Flash, which is also really nice. I was expecting that to be a lot darker than it actually ended up being. This one right here is Pink Flash, which I believe is the one that Chris made me use, which has that pretty pinky reflex. Oh, Bronze Flash is stunning. If you have a deeper skin tone, oh, yes, that's so beautiful. And lastly, right down here is a Rose Gold Flash, which I don't really see as rose gold. So far, the gold and champagne are probably my favorite. Next is some new skincare. This came in from Drunk Elephant. And I really like their oil. I don't know what it's called, but I just ran out of it. And this is their Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. This is a cream that is going to strengthen and restore the skin, and it's going to immediately and visibly improve the appearance of the skin's texture, tone, and firmness. Immediate results. That is exactly what I'm looking for in my skincare. I don't want to wait 7 months to see something. I want to see it now. I just want to feel it. I'm very sensory. Whoa! Dropping things all over my computer. Honestly, Rachel, get your life together. It's very smooth, very soft. Doesn't feel overly sort of thick and moisturizing. Like I don't like anything that's very, very thick on my skin. Has a bit of a very faint scent to it. It's drying to, oh, my skin feels very soft. I'll test it out over the next couple of weeks and just see if I notice any sort of visible immediate results from it. My skin is very soft though. Like that's weird. It's weird that I'm just sort of like petting my hand like a cat. The Drunk Elephant stuff tends to be on the pricey side, and the majority of the products I use are, as you guys know, from Indeed Labs and all of that, is under 25 bucks, which I really like. So I'll test that out, add that into the routine, and we'll see what happens. I also got a package in from Too Faced. This is the White Peach palette. Oh, I haven't tried this one yet. It's a shimmer, glitter, and matte palette. It is the White Peach one. I also actually have the chocolate gold one on my eyeballs today, which I thought I was like, to be honest, like Too Faced just launches like 17 million products a year, and over time I'm like, okay, another chocolate palette. Like I get it, like they're pretty, but like nothing mind-boggling. But like this was actually like it looks really good on the eyes. I've already dropped foundation on it. No one's surprised. I use this shade right here, Rich Girl, on the lid, and it's so pretty. Sometimes with glittery, very shimmery metallic shades, they almost look textured on my eyelid, and I don't get that sense from this. I also have Old Money and Love and Cocoa just on the lid on the outer side. I just use my finger to tap it on. They're really pretty. But anyway, that was besides. Also new, I guess, and the packaging's really pretty, but that's not what I came here to talk about. Haven't they already like just did a palette like this? Like I recognize Glistening Peach, also Peach Passion. I don't know, Rachel, can you put up like the peach palette from Too Faced up on the screen? I just want to see. Maybe I'm crazy and they're not actually the same at all, but like, I don't know. I feel like I already own this. Don't get me wrong, I'm still gonna play around with it, but it feels very similar to something that they've already launched. And a couple more products here. One, I bought this from Sephora. This is the Dior Skin Forever Undercover full coverage 24-hour highly pigmented water-based foundation, and it's just basically supposed to be a very full coverage foundation that feels like nothing on the skin. And so I wanted to test it out because it is Dior. It is pricey, but I mean, if it's gonna make my skin look like a baby's, I am all for it. And then the other foundation that I'm trying out today is by Rimmel. It's the Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable medium coverage foundation. And so far so good. It looks really good on the skin. We'll see what it looks like, you know, as it wears throughout the day and all that stuff. I also got some of the new Liquid Catsuit. This is their metallic ones from Wet n Wild. And there are a bunch of different shades. This one right here though, this one is speaking to me. It is in the shade Bali in Love, and Balling in Love, I get it. And the formula is very thick. I wasn't expecting that. Blends out sort of chunky, but then when you like blend it out, it disappears and it's this beautiful peachy golden shade. Maybe I just got a weird one. I want to test another one just in case. Yes, also chunky. That's so bizarre. But as soon as you blend it out, it's beautiful. It has almost that soft, powdery finish to it, and it looks gorgeous, but like applies super chunky. And I think that is finally everything. My desk is a disaster right now. So make sure you check back in 2 weeks and I will do an update for you guys on what these products are like, and make sure you stay tuned because there are a bunch of new products that you guys had requested me to test out in Sunday's video. So check in for that video as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If there are any particular products you want me to include in the video for 2 weeks from now, leave them in the comment section below. And that is everything. I hope you guys are having an amazing, amazing week so far, and we'll see you guys all in my next video. Love you girls. Mwah.